And basically, in Japan, summer means fireworks festival. So stay tuned and enjoy. For this event, the fireworks festival was at the Culture Park. At Culture Park, there's an amusement park equipped with fun rides for the family, as well as a lovely water area for the kids to play and cool down in the summer heat. Our little area by the pond was a little away from the bustle of the festival, but it was quite relaxing. We also had our very own musician among us. Over by the festival, everyone picked their spots early and eagerly awaited the fireworks. In true festival form, there were a lot of food to eat and lots of people to meet. While we waited on the fireworks to begin, we played a very interesting game of Have You Ever?
Have you ever been unable to figure out how to...
Everybody's attention is ripped.
Because I have no idea what to do.
Then the star of the show, the fireworks.
In Shirakawa in Aizu, when we have the fireworks festival there at the end of July, the big ones like that always set off the car alarms. There we go. That's what I didn't see.
Oh, loud.
Yeah. Car alarm. That's a car alarm blast.
Give it to me, give it to me!
Okay.
That was a nice one, man.
It's a monkey. It's a monkey. Yeah. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty.
They have a square one, actually.
There's an unhappy.
Upside down happy. Here's Comic Bomb. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Bigger one.
Mile 25.
Oh!
So that concludes today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed the fireworks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.